Did you know that chronic stress can lead to heart disease, weight gain, and a weakened immune system? In today's fast-paced world, stress is almost unavoidable, but how you manage it can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore how exercise, diet, and mindfulness can help you take control of stress and improve your overall health. Short-term stress can help you stay alert, but chronic stress raises cortisol levels, leading to increased risk of heart disease and high blood pressure, weakened immune system, making you prone to illness, weight gain, especially around the belly, sleep problems, and mental fatigue. So how do we fight back? Let's dive into 3 powerful ways to manage stress naturally. 1. Exercise, the natural stress reliever. Physical activity releases endorphins, your brain's natural mood boosters, and reduces stress hormones. Best exercises for stress relief: walking or jogging, clears the mind and improves circulation. Yoga combines movement with deep breathing for relaxation. Strength training helps release tension and build resilience. Even 10 to 15 minutes of movement daily can make a big difference. 2. Diet. Fuel your body to handle stress. The right foods can stabilize your mood and energy levels, while unhealthy choices can make stress worse. Best anti-stress foods: leafy greens and berries, rich in antioxidants that fight stress. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats and magnesium for relaxation. Dark chocolate boosts serotonin, your brain's happiness chemical. Avoid excess caffeine, sugar, and processed foods, which can trigger anxiety and energy crashes. 3. Mindfulness. Train your brain to stay calm. Mindfulness and meditation reduce cortisol levels, helping you stay present and calm. Simple stress-relieving practices: deep breathing. Try inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4, and exhaling for 4. Gratitude journaling. Writing down positives shifts your mindset. Short meditation, just 5 minutes daily, can lower stress significantly. Try a mindfulness app or guided meditation to get started. Stress is a part of life, but you can control how it affects your health. By combining exercise, a healthy diet, and mindfulness, you'll build resilience and inner peace. Which of these stress-busting tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips.